Hello and welcome to the Crumbs Doilies shop in Soho. Now I know what you're thinking, where did I get this awesome keyring that I'm using on my keys? Well, I got it from myself. And where can you get it? You can get it from my fancy merch website. Back in December I launched my first range of merch and it went off like a rocket. You guys bought so much stuff. We actually sold out of a couple of things. We sold out of the baking bundles and the mugs a couple of times. You guys love it. So now the good news, we have re-upped on absolutely everything and we've got a couple of new things, so I'm going to show you. So you guys love the design of our merch so much, and we work really closely with the illustrator to get it just right. The colours are awesome, the designs are really cool, and there's a couple of elements of the design which you guys particularly like, and that is the skull and the cupcake. So we've turned those into really cool enamel pins and this beautiful keyring which I've already showed you. So firstly, the enamel pins. Now these are really cool. They come in these cute little packets with the whole design on the back, which probably you could keep and collect. And I think they're pretty collectible, and maybe further down the line we'll do other designs as well. But for now, we've got the skull with the little heart and the cupcake. And the skull is kind of based on one of my tattoos, which has got little skulls in it, like little Mexican Day of the Dead skulls. And the cupcake, obviously, because I obviously make a lot of cupcakes, because I'm Cupcake Jemma. So these are awesome. You should definitely get some of those. And as well as the cupcake keyring, which I've got, we've also got the little skull in keyring form too. So you could get both of those if you've got more sets of keys like I do, and I know which one's which. Now the response to my merch has been unbelievable. You guys have bought so much stuff, so thank you if you've already bought stuff. If you haven't yet, then go over to my website, cupcakejemma.com, and you can get this cool new stuff, plus all the other stuff we already had, which is like the oven mitts, the apron, the tea towel. You can buy those three together as a baking bundle. We've got mugs, we've got my book, which if you haven't got already, you should definitely get. There's 50 lovely recipes in there, all separated by season. So you can get things like pistachio and cardamom cake and cookie dough cupcake, that's a favorite of mine. And we've got phone cases, temporary tattoos, all sorts. So head over there, grab yourself a treat, and I will see you soon with a recipe. Bye!